Hey guys, it's Sojo. Welcome back to the channel and to me with dark hair now. Oh, okay. Gotta get ready for the new school year, new change. Speaking of new change, today's video, I'm gonna be updating my basically PC desk stream setup and also just organizing and making things pretty and aesthetic. Ooh, I've decided to bring you guys along because I don't know, I think this is cool, and maybe you also will think it's cool too. I'm so excited to be finally getting an actual working PC. I'm gonna get a new desk. I'm gonna basically just try to get some part of my life together, and then hopefully everything else will follow along. Let's just get into it. Alright, so we can see that this looks pretty disgusting. This is my room before. Ugh, at my table. Oh god, that looks like a mess. I've also got a mess in the back. Yeah, it's just disgusting overall. Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm just gonna basically clean up all the clutter I have around, try to organize things before I get my new desk in, and then I'm gonna build the new desk, get the PC all set up, put all the stuff away, and it'll be amazing. This is my setup. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, can't wait to get this updated. So one thing I did was take pictures and basically draft out how I wanted my setup to look before I got everything put together. Alright, I just got off the phone and my PC is ready to be picked up. I got it custom built at a place near me, but we're gonna pick it up. I don't even have all my other stuff. I don't even have my desk yet. I'm supposed to go get my desk today. I wasn't supposed to get my PC until a few days later, but it's ready now. So we're gonna pick that up, then go to IKEA and get a new desk, and then I'm gonna put everything together. Hey yo, hey yo. Ooh, we got the PC. Ah! And now we're gonna get the table and then we can get stuff sorted out. PC! I bought it custom built, so it should be fully built and everything. I need to get it out of this box. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. I'm sweating. Yo! Woo! PC! Ah! It's not even turned on yet, but oh my gosh. Okay, everything's still messy, obviously, but we're getting there, we're getting there. Woo! Woo! Yo! It's a perfect fit! Let's go! Alright, that's all stuff from the old desk drawer. It's time to put this neat and nice into here and basically organize all of this mess. Wow, it looks really bad. We're gonna make this all look very nice. Things are coming together. I'm resetting my old PC, gonna get this one fully set up, and yes, let's go. I'm gonna truth, I've got stuff plugged in. Oh, Jesus! Oh my god! Yo! Holy crap! God! Holy shit! Wow, Oh my god, this is a lot of money, but holy crap, I'm excited. Oh, look how pretty. Alright, so now we've got basically the basic setup finished. We've got table, side table, computer, and stuff. But I want to update this background, and this area is still here. So, a package came in today, and I ordered the Starry Night projector thing for light decor, yes. So I'm gonna quickly set this up, clean all of this up, and hopefully get this whole thing wrapped up. I'm excited. Oh! Bluetooth mode. Whoa, that's bright. Whoa, yo, the colors! We got package number 2. Skizzers. There you go. It's a phone stand, so I can stream on Twitch with a hand cam, art cam kind of deal, and also just for filming this as well. Because right now, you guys are propped up on my laptop with a pop socket case on my phone. Yes. Sojo unboxes stuff now. I'm actually very terrible at opening packages, so it would not be a very good channel. Ooh! Dun, da, da, da. Put it on my table, and then put my phone up here. Perfect. You see me stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/SojoLive. Gotta put the shameless plug in. Alright, let's set this thing up. Pull it up. Then we've got hand cam. Let's go! Ooh. God, that is gorgeous. It's so pretty! Ooh, look at it go. Oh my gosh! No way. Change the world, but can't change my clothes. If I'm gonna be honest, I dropped out of college, found myself a whole new realm of knowledge.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you?
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, I'm recording on my actual stream setup. This has been a wild ride of like a few weeks, really, and we finally got the background lights, the decor back things over here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this shows you guys maybe some of the work that's put into making these backgrounds, and maybe inspires you guys to help get your dream set up as well. I am nowhere near my dream setup, but this is definitely really close, and it's much more than I thought I'd actually get done, and I'm really proud of it so far. Hopefully I can see you guys in the next video, and yeah, if you guys want to see all of this live in action, you can find me at twitch.tv/SojoLive, or you can just find me, I don't know, taking pictures with the cute everythingness on my social media at Sojo Videos. And I will see you guys later. Bye! Bye!